Good morning, happy new year. Here we are, can't believe the sun's out. It's the 8th of January 2023. I'm on a wanderer's dig near Wendover. We've got absolutely tons of fields. As you see, everybody's keen to get going. If I can just grab the map. Okay, I'm in field 1 and I want to get to field 4, which is straight through field 1 because that's apparently on the hill. But as you see, 12 fields, so really good. Looking forward to this, so let's go. Okay, I'm on field 4. It's just gone 12 o'clock and I can't see what sort as ever, but no, I can't see what that says as ever, but yeah, that's cool. 26 is unusual for me, but just in the hole, so let's go. Good morning, and I've started a bit late today as in recording, but I'm in Buckinghamshire on a weekend wanderer's dig again. Now in that field there, somebody picked up 5,200 silver coins at a value of £1.35 million. So that's if that don't get you going, thinking is there any more? I don't know what will. But I've been going about an hour and coming in about a 16, I think it was. What's this little button? So it's a starter for 10. A very chattery little field, so I've had to go down onto the 20 hertz just to give that a go, and I'm using the Dario spade today because it pulls out a nice clod, so I put it back nicely without breaking it up. And then I'm trying the 15-inch Equinox coil today, so let's keep going. Okay, 12 o'clock and an 18 came in, quite shallow. I think, oh, it's a 10p, a modernish 10p that's gone it's a Queen Elizabeth that's gone really 1990 something, gone very brown. So field 5 was a little bit frustrating. I found the 10p, a few fuses, a few more buttons. So I've come back into field 4. It's getting a little bit thinned out now, but I filled the hole now, but a really faint 10. And because I'm using the big coil, I thought it was worth a dig, and lo and behold, I think it was, because if I can get a focus on this guy, he looks like a little old chap, and on the other side it's only a fragment. I don't know if I can pick that over just about. It's got what appears to be a load of X's on the other side. I hope you can see that. But yay, it's some form of coin, so that's cool. I think that's Roman, but what do I know, as ever. But get it checked out. At least I found an oldie. Okay, so I'm back home, and the find of the day for me was this lovely little, I think it's called a Roman sequith or something. And it's got a little head on it, which is really cool. I mean, the detail there is really good, as you can see. So I'm happy with that find. And the other finds, regular large button, just a ring of some description, a 10p, that's gone into looking more like a copper, but it's quite new. I think, I can't see on there, but I think it's 1991, something like that, Queen Elizabeth. Then I think that's a military button by the looks of it. And then finally, although it went in the junk pile, this plate from a Wilmo, whatever a Wilmo is. Got the number of the unit and the manufacturer is Alexander Shanks, so I'll look at that a little bit later, see what that's all about. But this was obviously a brilliant little find, little Roman coin, brilliant. I think that's the best one I've had for detail, because that is obviously really good quality. Good morning. Well, today I am at Tame and there's tons of people, weekend wanderers dig, but loads of land, so I'm going to go over to a brook which is over there somewhere, see you on the first hole. Okay, it's 9:40, a very busy dig today. I can't remember seeing that many people, or maybe it's just because it's all the cars are in one spot, but as you see, a beautiful day in Oxfordshire near Tame, and obviously optimistic. I'm by the road to start off with. I walked across from the cars and I'm going to just keep walking that way till I hit the brook. Today I've got going to try my Joan Allen spade. Been using the root slayer, but I'm going to try that one because it's pasture. I've gone back to the 6-inch coil, sorry, the 11-inch coil. So let's give it a go. Okay, 12:06. I'm still heading for that brook. I actually got a bit disorientated, but I've got one that's coming in and it's in here somewhere. I thought I'd seen it. Yeah, there it is. Oh, I thought it was going to be a coin, but it's a button. Well, I've had one other disc that looked like a very thin coin, but I couldn't make it out, but that looks like a brass button, so that's cool. Okay guys, I'm back home now after the Tame in Oxfordshire dig. Difficult day, a lot of trash. These are the bits that went into my sort of bag that weren't total trash. I think, I'm not sure if this might be a coin. I don't think it is. It's got something on there, but it's very, very thin, and it's yeah, it's got nothing on there that I can see. This was an interesting colour, but again, I have no idea what that is. This is very heavy, and then I've got a hook, a couple of bullets, I think, cases, and a bullet end maybe, I'm not sure. I thought that was something, but looking at it now, nothing really. Then a button. Got this button here, and then another plain button. So it was a button day today. So yeah, a little bit disappointed with that, but never mind. Wait till the next one. Good morning, or maybe good afternoon. As you see in the background there, that's the M3. I believe that's called St. Catherine's Hill, which was an ancient hill fort. This is supposed to be ancient land, and there was absolutely hundreds of people today. I reckon about 300, but they've all gone back over to the other field. I didn't start straight away, or I didn't record straight away, because I was chatting to a new chap that I met called Gary, so I haven't found that much, but a few things. Musket ball day today, isn't it? So a couple of musket balls. Apparently these are ones that have been splatted, and then a button, and I'm not quite sure what that is. Probably nothing. So no coins yet. Apparently just up the top there a gold stater was found, so I'm going to keep going. It's 1 now, so the day has absolutely flown by. Gonna have a banana and then keep going. Okay, this is apparently a little Roman road. I think it's a B road. Everybody's going. It's 3:45 and a 21 screamer. As you see, I've just taken the top off the just one little scoop out. Can you see it yet? Yeah, it's a screaming 21. It was a bit of an 1821 when it was in the ground, but here it is. It's quite thick, so I'm gonna guess that's a Roman, but who knows. But at least I found a coin. I found lots and lots. I found a few buttons. I don't know what's going on with my focus here. No, there's something wrong with my camera. But probably got some dirt on the lens somewhere. Oh, that's better. I don't know. But at least it's a disc. Okay, just had a 9 out of a shallow hole again, not very far from where I was actually. This one's interesting. It's got something on there, but it's maybe it's just damaged, but yeah, maybe a coin. It's certainly worth finding. So yeah, I can't make that out from here, but found it on a 9, and I'll clean that up and we'll have a look. Okay, so from that hole to this hole, about 10 feet, and a 17 came in, which looks like it's a decorative army button. So yeah, lots of circles coming in now, so let's keep going. Okay, it's 4:30. I was just making my way back to the car slowly, and the 15-inch coil I was using, genuine Minelab, as you see, has just decided to break its coil here. Even though I've got a coil protector on there, it's just given way, which is a bit crap. I have got some JB weld, but yeah, what an end to a day. These are great machines, but I've heard that they've got, that must be another flaw, the handle or the arm cup that broke off, and then this has happened, which is just not good enough really, Minelab. But that's the end of the day then. Okay guys, so home from the Weekend Wanderers dig near Winchester. As you can see, lots of different sized musket balls today, and a few that have been splattered against something. A couple of buttons of different styles, a few bits of junk that I never, in the mud I couldn't see what they were, and then apparently 2 Roman coins, pretty nondescript. Pete from Weekend Wanderers seemed to know what this was, but yeah, there we go. That's the dig of the day.